Hello friends, in today's video I am going to show another portrait tutorial. In this tutorial I tried to show lighting effect on face. Here the light is coming from down, so we will see where the shadow and light should be applied. Generally I start from forehead for base tone. So friends, here I tried to show color mixing process in palette. My palette is too big, so it's not possible to show total palette and the drawing book together on camera. You can see I am using chrome yellow and vermilion red. So the palette will be shown partly. Eyes part is mostly important. The reflection of light on eye is noticeable. If you color it properly, half of the portrait will be done. It gives life to a portrait. As this is downlight tutorial, I emphasized on yellow tone. Here I am mentioning the name of colors I used. Vermilion hue, chrome yellow, burnt sienna, viridian hue, Prussian blue, French ultramarine, cobalt blue, and a small amount of crimson red and black. Nose part is too hard to make out, especially downlight effect on nose is very tough. I don't use black usually. I make blackish tone by mixing any kind of blue with vermilion red and burnt sienna. Also lips area is important. I have used crimson red, vermilion and a pinch of yellow. For hair, I make a base using chrome yellow, vermilion hue and French ultramarine. For dark tone, I used same colors with a small amount of black. So after completing all parts, come to the dress, and now the portrait is ready. So friends, this is an end. We'll come with a new tutorial. Stay well. Bye.